So guys, I'm back with another tutorial video which is 3D glossy ball. Create a circle and apply gradient. The gradient style should be radial. Adjust the transparency. Now go to edit, copy and paste in front. Change the gradient color and reduce the opacity to 50%. Repeat the previous step and this time reduce the opacity to 26% and change the transparency mode to screen. Select the shape, press Alt and drag the upper circle to create a copy. Now, change the stroke color to white and foreground color to none. Use the pen tool to create the line in middle. Press Shift and C and move the cursor to top point of the line. Drag to create a curve. Same with bottom point. When a curve is created, copy that curve by pressing Alt and drag it either left or right to create a shape. Again, create the same curve but this time create it a little big so that it acts as a frame outside the previous curve we have created. Now, when the shape is created, press Shift and M to select the shape building tool. When you got the whole shape, place it to the top layer of the original circle and change the color. Change the color of the frame also. create the shadow, again, copy the circle shape. If its opacity is reduced, increase it to 70%. Change the color to black. And go to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur and increase its value. Make sure to like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. And you can follow me on the Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided below in the description.